Hi all, this is a New Year's T-shirt update. First of all, there's a Leela lc0 T-shirt which I was given permission, which I really greatly appreciate, to have this T-shirt in my range. The income does go to me, though I should stress that, not to the Leela project. So you can have it in different colours. So it's lc0 in different colours. So if you want to support the Leela project, get people asking, what does lc0 mean, if they don't know what it is. So arguably the greatest open source community neural network in chess history. There's also another new chess t-shirt, which is the Kingscrusher T-shirt. This is a long time coming. So on the Kingscrusher T-shirt, there's a fist crushing two kings, which are pretty scared, terrified. You can have all sorts of different designs. You can choose from the combo box here. So classic T-shirt, and all the colours are available. Black seems to be quite good, and the darker colours with this particular design, in my view, but there's a lot of colours to choose from here, so up to you, the colours to choose from there. So let's look at black though, and for a moment. And now you can have, like, for example, this classic pullover hoodie poster, and that's in different colours as well. So there's all sorts of accessories here. Classic tank top. Yeah. What's this? This is women's classic V-neck. Yeah, check it out, basically. And there's even a wall tapestry in different colours. So it's quite remarkable, this Teespring, actually. Once you get a design, yeah, you can have it in all these different products, which is pretty cool, I think. So I hope you check out the store. Maybe consider the Kingscrusher T-shirt. Please let me know any other ideas you might be interested in, any concepts from the videos, or chess in general, and I might get cracking on those in this wonderful new year we're in, 2019. Happy New Year. Thanks very much.